This is the Marks Factory tutorial version 1. This is the first tutorial that you will see in the Marks Factory. We start with the toolbar. The first button will show you a menu of recommended marks that you can use and fork. This is the Edit Mode button. And now we can edit the mark. This is the Play Mode button, where you see the mark as it will be presented to the user. Export. This Export button exports your mark to IPFS, and you will see a QR code image, and if you click on it, the URL will be copied to the clipboard. This ETH button is a menu from which you can load forms for each contract function. From the workspace contracts. The rest of the button handle Markdown syntax. And here you have a link to a Markdown guide. You can load contracts in your workspace by clicking on the bottom left button, then Add Item, and filling the form. If you fill in an IPFS hash from a contract saved in the Solidity compiler format, the ABI will be loaded automatically. Then you add the Ethereum address, and to load you click on the bottom right button here. And we can see it in the menu. So you have created your mark and have exported it. If you want to add your mark to the menu recommendations here, you will need to make a pull request and add your mark information in this JSON under an existing category, or you can propose a new category. Your mark must have a title with a version. For example, Marks Factory Tutorial version 1. It must contain a Markdown manual and a video demo of how to use the mark. It must also contain a link at the bottom of the page directing to the payment mark preset with your data. And you can see an example here. If we click on it, we see a payment mark with the address, amount, and reason already set. This can be used by the Marks users to donate to the creator a small ETH amount. The Marks label is the same as its title. And the value contains the IPFS hash given after export. There is a first-comer advantage. If you have an approved mark and you want to update it, your update will be prioritized compared to others who want to create a slightly better mark. So, if a similar mark already exists, make a PR only if your mark brings significant improvements. We await for you to leave your mark on the world.